Okay, so continuing that, so what we need to do is we need to output two things. So we need to output the name and the email address as mentioned here, name and email address. So to figure out the name and email address, what we need to do is we need to first go to our validate name function and we need to change something. So what we are doing is that since we know that it should be less than 30, all right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this process, and what I'm going to do is add a new variable called space and add the number of spaces that are left or that I need to fill in. So currently if my name, whatever the length of the name is, so length of the name minus 30. So no, so whatever the number is, we'll just add that many spaces at the end of the name. So name is name and space times this space. So what we have done is we have created a static length uh, of the name, and currently we'll have, so now we'll have 30 spaces in, so 30 characters in name variable. So the name and whatever's left will be part of the space that will take up in this variable. So we'll go back here. So now we know for a fact that this the name that we need to use is going to be 30 characters long. So we'll use mid output mid one line from character number 6 because previously what we did is we used dashes in the middle. So 1 to 4 is this, 5th is this dash, and then we'll have from 6th onwards we'll have a name. So 6 to 36 will be our name. Also what we do is we had to also print name comma and this. Also we need to print output the email address of the person. So email is going to be let's change this, so month and then email, so we can calculate from where this email will start. So this email will start from, so 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 and 41 and minus 4. So email mid one line 44 till the end. So I'm not going to fill that because whatever the length is, it could be that. Alright, so this is this. After the read file, we are going to close the file. So close file, the name of the file. So the name of the file is going to be membership.txt. So moving on to the last part, which is output a list of members whose membership ends in a given month. So you'll have to take the users and check which month is it. function. Let's name this, procedure. So let's name this procedure sorry month search, and doesn't return anything. So we'll take input from the user, input search month. So open file, the file name is membership.txt. For read, while not EOF membership.txt. Read file membership.txt. Normal, let's say one line. If mid of one line, comma. So I'm not sure. So our month, it starts at 1 2 3 4 5, and then we have 30. So 4 5 and then 35 36 and then 37. From space 37, and we'll have to pick two characters. If those characters are equal to search month, then what we do is we output one line. So we output the data for that user, for that member, and if, and while, and then end procedure. So that's it. So what we need to do is, so the only thing that's left is we need to add a menu that is asking for which option, and we just call that function. So output, enter 1 for, so 1 is for adding a new member, 2 is for searching, and 3 is for output. Enter for 1 for adding new member, 2 for searching the details, and for searching details, and 3 for outputting expiring memberships. Alright, so this is that. So let's ask the user for an input. So input, let's say the user input is choice variable. So if choice is equals to 1, then we call the function the procedure that we use is name as add member. So add member, and if, then we'll have also one more end if, and the middle we'll have choice is equals to search, and the last is month search. If and if choice equals to 3, month search. So that's it. So that's the end of our task 3, and now we'll move on to task 4 in the next video.